Hello everyone, my name is Tushar Rana. I am the student of BBA HNH third semester, and today we are going to prepare baked cabbage pie.
So here we start. Firstly we will just see the ingredients and then we will start the work. This is the cabbage roundels. Put that. This is the egg wash. This is the cheese. We have tomatoes, cucumber and chicken, and we have onions. Now put some egg wash on the cabbage. Pour some more. Put one cheese. Now we will put some seasoning. We put some chicken. Now we are going to bake this.
Now I am going to bake this for 180 degrees Celsius in 5 minutes.
Now you put this here first. Open the foil very slowly. Put the tomatoes. Cheese is melting down. You put the cucumbers like this.
So our dish is prepared. Do try this at home and let us know.
How you liked it. Thank you.
Thank you.